What is up, everybody? This is your boy Wolfman HD coming at you live from the Wolf Den, and today I got a package from SGAmmo.com. Ordered a few rounds, so I want to show you guys, and let's get to the unboxing. Hope I don't hit any commas or anything. Here goes the receipt. I ain't gonna show it to you because I got my information on it. Alright, that's kind of cool. They got a box inside of a box just in case stuff happens. Wow, and they got some styrofoam balls or whatever. But got 5 rounds with the lawmans. I mean 5 boxes, I'm sorry. I think these were like $10.95 a box. Got a box of some Federal HSTs, 9mm, 147 grain. Then I got like 6 boxes of these Tula ammos, 9mm. I got this big 100 pack of 154 grain soft points made by Tula Ammo as well. I never really seen them come in a 100 pack like that. It's pretty cool. But yeah, all of this stuff, because I was gonna buy some of it at Walmart, some at local gun shop, but I was like, by the time I get these for like $8.95 a box, that basically outweighs the taxes, because in Walmart they're $10.98, I believe. And everybody know about these Federal HSTs. Those are like $50 in stores, but I got it for $26.95 online. And these lawmans, they're like $14.99 a box. So yeah, just a quick score, nothing too big. Guys, stay tuned. I might have another one today or tomorrow. The Wolfman HD signing out. Y'all have a good one. Peace.